to find opportunities that are good and with
Mm-hmm.
trusted partners, and then you can put your money to work with them where they're doing big things as well.
That's
And they
right.
take you along for the ride.
Absolutely. So, and you're also, if you're in the right project, sometimes you can learn alongside them, right?
Absolutely, absolutely.
As well as, you are, like we said, your money is working hard for you while you're still building your business. Or, I mean, in many of the investments that I did that are passive, they actually paid me income.
Mm-hmm.
So they help supplement my business income, where sometimes my business income wasn't consistent. It was like all
Yeah,
over the
yeah,
place, right? It's not like a job where every 2 weeks you get paid.
yeah.
Yeah.
So that was it, learning about investing where,
Mm-hmm.
I love the opportunity to find a great deal and negotiate the deal and, do it all myself. But as I said, I'm a mom, I have, family, I have obligations, I'm building a business. So if I wanted to keep investing, I had to find opportunities how to do that
Mm-hmm.
without being the primary person, because you
That's
can
right.
only divide your time so many times.
And how to get
So,
into other markets too without having to travel or go there, or right?
yeah. That being said, though, I love the part of the active investing
Mm-hmm.
because I love the learning. I love the opportunity. I love the rejuvenation that happens. Land development is something that is exciting, and it's also really needed. Where we
Mm-hmm.
live in
Yes.
Canada, where we live in Ontario, in Toronto, um, there's an absolute need for people want to come live here. They want to come be part of this society, be part of the community, but we need more housing.
That's
So
right.